Hello guys. Today we are looking for ASUS Vivobook Go 14. It's a light and compact laptop designed to make you productive and keep you entertained wherever you go. It's come with AMD Ryzen 5 7000 series 7520U mobile processor with 4 core and 8 threads up to 4.3 GHz max boost speed. It support integrated AMD Radeon graphics. It's come with 16 GB LPDDR5 onboard RAM. 512 GB of speedy M.2 NVMe SSD storage to make sure there is always plenty power on tap. Display is 14-inch Full HD anti-glare display having 16:9 aspect ratio with 60 Hz refresh rate and 250 nits brightness. Nano Edge display which provides superior visual experience and reduce the risk of eye strain during long viewing sessions. Battery is 42Wh 3-cell Li-ion. It support fast charging. You can charge a low battery to 60% in as little as 49 minutes, so you'll be up and running quicker than ever. Wi-Fi 6E fast resolution along with ASUS Wi-Fi master technology. The Vivobook series enhance fast and stable connection and Bluetooth 5. Chiclet keyboard which support number pad on trackpad. It's come with polycarbonate material. 17.9mm and 1.38 kg thin and light, designed for easy one-handed carrying. The 180-degree lay flat hinge makes it so much easier when you want to share stuff with those around you. Web camera 720p HD camera with privacy shutter. I/O ports are HDMI 1.4, 1 USB-A 2.0, 1 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1, 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen 1, 1 3.5mm combo audio jack. Built-in speakers tuned by Sonic Master Audio Technology. 3D-NR significantly upgrades the webcam image clarity, with a unique algorithm that sharpens images and performs real-time de-noising to make sure everything looks crisp and clear during video calls. Next-level AI noise-canceling audio technology helps to filter out ambient noise for optimum group conference call quality. Tested to US MIL STD 810H military grade for reliability and durability. Operation system is Windows 11 with MS Office. Links are in the description for price check and purchase. Thank you all.